In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Jira issues from a CSV file. Before you upload anything into Jira, the most important part is preparing your CSV file correctly. Your spreadsheet needs to match Jira's expected structure, so the import goes smoothly. At a minimum, you must include a summary column, because Jira uses that as the issue title. It's also common to include columns like description, issue type, priority, status, and assignee, depending on what information you want to bring in. As you build the file, make sure the values in fields like status or issue type exactly match the options already configured in your target Jira project. Even small differences in spelling or formatting can cause problems during import. If one issue needs multiple labels or components, don't combine them into one column unless your setup specifically supports that. Instead, duplicate the column header for each separate value, such as using multiple label columns. Once everything is ready, save the file strictly as a CSV UTF-8, delimited document. That formatting matters, especially for special characters and clean field separation. Now open Jira. In the left navigation bar, go to Filters. Then select Search Work Items. From there, click the More Actions menu in the top right corner and choose Import Work Items from CSV. A new window will open. Click Choose File, select your prepared CSV document and then click Open. Leave the Use an Existing Configuration File box unchecked unless you already have a saved mapping profile from a previous import and want to reuse it. Then click Next on the next screen. Select your target project from the Import to Project drop-down menu. After that, set the file encoding to UTF-8 and make sure the delimiter is set to a comma. These settings should match the way you saved the file earlier. Then click Next again. Jira will now ask you to map your columns to Jira fields. You will see your CSV headers on the left and Jira field options on the right. Match each column to the correct destination field. For example, map Summary to the Summary field. Take your time here, because this step determines where all your data will go. If needed, check the Map Field Value box for fields like Status or Priority. This is useful when you want to manually connect the terms in your spreadsheet to the exact drop-down options Jira uses. Once the mapping looks correct, click Next before running the import. Click Validate. Jira will scan the first 30 rows and look for data conflicts, unmapped fields, or formatting issues. If Jira highlights any warnings, fix them before moving forward. When everything checks out, click Begin Import. That's it. Thanks for watching.